Everyone says Porsche cannot be driven in winter. This is one of the harshest winter in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. And I put 4 winter tires and I'm driving it nicely and easily on an uphill right into the main street, and everywhere is full of snow. As you can see, I'm turning on the main street. There you go. It's going nicely. First gear, second gear, third gear. Just driving very stable. It's as good as any other car in winter. So this was snow, and then we got some freezing rain coming on top of it, and I have no traction problem. So there you go, Boxster winter driving. It's actually a lot of fun because you have a lot of control. Cheers, guys.